and say, yo, 1% from the rich, them make we set up the education system. You pay them duck. Then lock down Damien, they must hold him and beat him or something. We can't find Damien. We say, where Damien there? No Damien. Me have to go up on the page and scroll through the page and I say, I want them to do Damien. I want them to do Damien. I say, Jimmy say, yo, Megs, you think they hide Damien? Them come out, come reject. What Damien say? Back to zero. Them would even try something. Them would even say, make we try something where at least the illiterate ones them, the slow ones them, it will fly over them head. See? They wouldn't even say, we could try something. Just no plan. So me I go vote for a man where lie to me about him British citizenship. Lie to the country with a visa to England with a British passport. Filled out a form. Join the line. It's a what the man tell we, you know. He joined the line, stand up in a line, and it was not something where it wasn't something, you know, but I had to do it. It was something that I enjoyed doing, but I had to do it. Right? Giant line. A British citizen with a British passport. Giant line. Going at the British embassy. Fill the form out. Ignore the part where say citizenship status. Ignore that totally. In that part is from space. In from Mars. And that no count. So that part they left blank and them no question it. Because if him right, same is not a British citizen, you know it's a problem. That's an offense. Lying on a public, on an official document. Right? So him skip that part there. I'm telling him half of the truth. And get a British visa to travel to his country. Me go get a Jamaican visa to come to Jamaica. With the Jamaican passport. Me go at the Jamaican consulate and tell them say I want a visa to go home. So me must just support the man because him white. No plans. Lie to me. Linking with traitors and reenacting slavery. But me now, if I run around the internet and tell people say Andrew Holness thief $31,000 for buy bonds. Because that me soon are stuck with. Andrew Holness, I try clear him name and I take this body where obviously get infiltrated by somebody put battery in somebody back. Where them a miscalculate and I do improper assessment of things. Double checking money we are transferred from account to account in the same bank or the same network, counting it twice. Claim me say the man have 473 million going through deposit and 427 million withdrawals. When in truth, the right number that is reflecting is 217 million and 177 million withdrawal. Because them have to what? Shock you. And nobody now go believe nothing where idiot Vegas has said. Or Michelle 411. Who is a PMP? Because you know why? Him white. We no question where the white man get him wealth. But we want to know where Andrew wealth come from. You see? Man, we in a government for what? Nearly 30 years. We start checking wealth since him become prime minister. He never used to do nothing before that. And Miss Holness didn't mind him. He never used to do nothing before that. Him never used to invest nothing. Him never used to invest on a property. Him never used to buy bonds. Him never used to do no stock trading. Him just start make money since him turned Prime Minister. So them certified him all the way up to 2021. And tell you, say, through $1.9 million, them are going to put him under what? Illicit enrichment investigation. $1.9 million. Don't make us no bad old people. Will I vote for them? 1.9 million. Them put him under probe for. And we think so we will run with that. To go support a man we have zero plan. Yeah, him have a plan. Get rid of free healthcare. So the private, so them doctor friend them can start have centers. Them doctor friends them can start have hospitals all over Jamaica. Our clinics, our offices all over Jamaica. Because them are going to be the beneficiary of that. Yeah, get rid of free healthcare. Not come and say we could improve power there if we get in a government. And what am I going to do to make your medicine more affordable? What am I going to do to ensure that you have medicine? What am I going to do to ensure that nobody no go back to scandal bag as apron in a Cornwall Regional Hospital? Dr. Daz, the PMP, said that. Scandal bag. What is Mark Golding going to do for you not to go back there? When do? Him lie to and tell us say $21 billion already spent on the hospital. 21 billion. I want to just gullible and believe everything when say. No plan. So we have distraction. Tell me, PMP people, what is Mark Golding's plan to make you have better healthcare, better roads, better water, better schooling? What is his plan? Lower taxes, zero taxes. What is his plan? What is Mark Golding's plan? What are his plans? Teacher stop runway. We don't go back to a wage freeze. We're happening at the PMP administration, and we don't go back to FinSac. Where the government, during that time, did not listen to Edward Siaga to not liberalize. And we will talk about FinSac another time. Because I talk to some PMP where they will come tell me about say rich people lose their money in a FinSac. And I tell me say me a idiot. While the people them testimony and the people them were still alive, they all over the internet. I share them story. I share how them loved one committed suicide. But yeah, PMP I come tell me say a rich people lose their money in a FinSac. And Omar Davis administration, I'm being the finance minister, put FinSac in place and them would have never sell back the people them property. For more than when them sell it to the rich man for. You see? So what Mark Golding are going to do for we have another FinSac? Better schooling, better water condition, better roads. Remember them we promised you, you know. So we have a Jamaica with zero pothole, you know. We don't remember that. They had promised us. So we have a Jamaica with zero potholes. So what may I support him for? For dig into Andrew Wellness riches? All of a sudden now Jamaican people, no politicians are supposed to be like Jesus slippers. Politicians, yeah man, me trust them. I trust Mark Golding. When since we saw, when since we are politician has been holy. When since, make granny soup. When since we start have trust in the politicians. Oh, I'm white. A Jesus brother. You see? Tell me what are his plans. And then we can have a civil discussion. Don't tell me about an investigation were obviously compromised and why the Prime Minister try clear him name. Me and you now go have that conversation there. Because me know if them that tell lie on you would want to clear your name too. And you that take it to the extreme, the judiciary review, if you feel like somebody is doing you wrong. So you run round. If him ever see man at the vlog, some like a big old idiot say they medicated at the vlog. Oh, I can't believe that the Prime Minister try to get the clause they struck down and I try take it and I try silence the Integrity Commission. Why we must keep them out silent on the Integrity Commission when they put forward a report and not even touch the international forensic report in the report? We not even know how much money them pay the forensic analyst. We know how much money they pay the international forensic team. Why we must stay silent when you bypass our institutions and go foreign and draw nil? Then you come back and come draw for the institution. Why we must bypass you closing an investigation and then asking for permission to send it to a body? When you had the permission, you had the privilege, you had the MOU to send it to anybody you want to send it to. You run go parliament, go table it. Because you want to give people red meat. Why we must stay silent? Why Manjou mustn't try to defend him name? Why not complete the investigation before you send it to table? I idiot to come tell me say the security minister asked for an update. When it in the act say them not to talk to nobody. It's in the act. Them not to listen to him. But why put it out at that time? Because the conference, I believe, them know who I go. Them know them know say that go be a few days talking about it. And them know say of course if them drop it now, with everything we are going, it are gonna be used as a weapon. So why must we not believe that the Integrity Commission is being used as a weapon by Mark Golding? Why must we not believe that? Why must the Prime Minister just make on a run round to about him thief $30,000? Eh? Why? Because the man we're telling us a white. The man we're going to Parliament want to call a motion, a no confidence motion. A man who want to put forward a motion of no confidence against the Prime Minister while he's off the island doing business in another country. That is how coup starts. That is how people overthrow government. The man out to India. I say, idiot Mark. We don't care about him going to India. I run him a run. I hide him and look so if he hide. You can't make this up, people. They don't care about no partnership. But one of the leading technological country just sign with our country. They don't care about that, people. Because Mark Golding now go run around and tell us, say, India are one of the leading country when it comes down to technology. How Jamaica and how the youth them can be more internet savvy, can be more digitally savvy. They're not going to tell you that. They're going to tell us, I hide, the Prime Minister can hide. Some man try to go into Parliament. I must trust this man. When most of the Prime Minister off on business, who had enough time to submit his motion, the Speaker of the House got the motion. I got the document when Parliament start. Him come pushing the document when Parliament are gone. So she had no time to go over the document. So she now take the document and run at the back to go read it. And by the time she come back a chaos. And yeah, people out there call themselves lawyers. The plantation Negroes them. I call themselves lawyers because everybody out here idiot chewing in a jacket and tie. I come tell me say, them should allow him, Mark Golding, when I have no plans, but all him have a chaos, all him have a disturbance. All him have is a plan to go up on the side of the street, go rile them up. So you can, everybody, from what you know, see, everybody has a little thing that them community they run and demonstrate. We never see so much demonstration at any point in our life, Jamaican people. Hurricane and no water, no light, no the people block road. Hurricane. We ever see that? In a Gilbert, we sat around and waited patiently for months before we get back little light. When the street light came out in the middle of a big yard, people run up and down and celebrate. And we see people block road. Why? Because Mark Golding run around the country. Him and Peter Bunting about, well, I've not seen a JPS truck from morning. I've not seen a JPS truck pass here all day. So me must support a man with gone in a parliament. No, instead the Prime Minister today have to put forward a no confidence motion. Yeah? A case of no confidence. We don't go 14 people in a parliament from the PMP. No, inside can't go nowhere. I must trust a man there. Me, if you trust a man, if you come run the country, we put forward a motion, or try to put forward a motion, no inside can't go nowhere. With 14 or 13 or 11 people presented that day. Him not even have a full 14. Because Lisa Anna never did it. By the way, she soon come over back. Because once you go black, you can't turn back, Lisa Anna. Once you go black, you can't turn back, but your seat is here. Because we see how them lie to you. We see how them abuse you. See? We see how them treat you. We see so you don't really have no, based on my understanding, you not even have no interest in spending little constituency funds, developing funds when they give you, because they say you have money left over. So we know say you're not in it to win it. So once you go black, Lisa, you know you can't turn back. You just a fool yourself. You see? Because you know say the grass is greener over here. You know over here the bright people them there, the educated people them, you know say over here them there. So if you care about the people them, you use your bright self and educate the dunce one them. You see? So back to what me I said. So me must support a man. We're going to parliament knowing that he has no chance. But all he want to do is table it. He knows him not stand a chance, you know. To get the motion they pass, you know, people. But all he wants to do is to put it on the record. And when him not get him way, because him so privileged, because the parliament is his daddy house, his British daddy, King Charles' house. Because the parliament belongs to him. Because them ancestors them farm it. Him feel so privileged. Fin they are compromised the investigation by talking about them put forward a no confidence motion because the Prime Minister lied. What Prime Minister lie about? What was the Prime Minister supposed to do? Come tell them, say, oh, they might investigate me for illicit enrichment. When there's a gag order, so they can't talk about the investigation. So they did to violate the gag order with the Integrity Commission Act. As one as its provision. So if they violate the gag order of the Integrity Commission Act, come talk about, yeah man, them have me and illicit enrichment, you know, so them say me thief around a 1.9 million. Yeah man, you know, so them say me thief 31,000. Them said the Prime Minister knew from May that he was under investigation. Yet still in the report, the Prime Minister lawyer a write to the Integrity Commission that asks them for an update on what's happening. And that them because they know you're not going to read it. Because 171 pages appear repetitive thing where them put forward. Repetitive action, repetitive saying, repetitive. Let me say that already. Me have to find a different way. It's just repetitive. They know you're not going to read it. The report they could have scaled down to 150 pages, you know. Because it's a bunch of nothingness people. Because them are trying to tell us, say, something is there. That's why they go dig up the man parents' account. And added the man parents' money to the man wealth. Even though them say, I send the man, I send little stipend for him family, for him mother, you know. Or him father, you know. 394,000 between 4 accounts. 394,000. And that red flag, your prime minister. 1.9 million. Them say unexplained wealth. Because you hear, oh, unexplained wealth, and the PMP then break it down for you. It is translated into thief. Unexplained means thief. That you mean. Is it? Thief. Unexplained wealth means Andrew Holness is a thief. Being investigated for illicit enrichment. Him guilty. So you have a problem when them use a clause where violates, where contravenes him constitution rights. So him not privy to the constitution. Only Vibes Cartel. The Vibes Cartel is more popular than the Prime Minister, man. Vibes Cartel can come be Prime Minister, you know, because I'm very bright. Same more popular than Andrew. You know, see amount of people over stadium. So Andrew wants to forget the privilege of the constitution. Him constitutional rights no count. Him not to defend him name. After you are say, through him under investigation, him guilty. And you are say, he knew from me. When your leader, your prime minister in the future is out there now changing him out and not saying anymore that the prime minister knew from me. Now him there August 18th. And I ask yourself the question before me go. What is the coincidence that Andrew Holness was on a platform or on some form of interview or talking to some people on the 17th of August? Yeah? Andrew Holness spoke on the 17th of August that he knew nothing about an investigation. On the 18th, at around midnight, him lawyer get a letter, same under investigation. Nothing wrong with that. And just coincidence. They may have a letter prepared already, and then just choose to send it that. I don't know, coincidence. I don't know, no coincidence when Mark Golding did out there and say, Andrew Holness come tell the people them because you know who under investigation. Mark Golding just knew that because of course it's Jesus' brother. Him is a prophet sent from God. Him can't see things without the integrity commissioners them tell him. So he knew that. Andrew, you know who? Tell the people them who? You know who under investigation? And no PMP no under investigation. So me must vote for a man. And me must support a man like me for run with Uno. And support a man. When knows that the Prime Minister gone foreign, run in a parliament, say I bring forward a motion, knowing say not have the votes them, and all we see, them stage a walk out. And as soon as them walk out, The media outside are wait for him. You wanna leave me alone, you know? You wanna not go mad me, you know? Oh no, nah go mad me. Oh no, nah go mad me. This man, me for trust. Me can't go back over everything again, you know. Because far where I come from, you know, how long now we attack? Me can't go back over all of the things that we at least you're supposed to scratch your head, you know. Even if you're a supporter of this man, you know, you're supposed to say, why? You know, so just a change. Somehow not just bored on the board, you know. You don't want to get on board because you're not bored. You don't just tired to say one government in a power. It just come like some woman, the same man has sex you from your 20s, you reach 40, you know, you just want a change of penis. Is it? That's how you go. Human's nature. Is it? You just want a change of sex. You get bored. No found, you know. Oh no, say Andrew Holness do a good job, you know. And even if you don't never know, you can listen to the PMP and know, you know. Because when Nigel Clark say man leave, you know, the PMP start balling, you know. I say, oh my God, we can't believe Nigel is leaving. What's going to happen to the economy now? All of a sudden, them are worried about the economy if Nigel leave. So if you be a fool, you know, you know, at least listen to that and say, no, them not say Nigel now, you know. I lie them a tell. But them know say, you must have little sense to even see that. It's like, oh, Nigel Clark need to resign. Him need to resign. And them thief more money than where the budget is. Than the annual budget. Them thief 1.7 trillion more than the annual budget. And you run with it. And now the PMP. When I no shame, Mark Golding, obviously, it in him DNA, him not have no shame. Him is a bare-faced liar. And him not care if you find out the truth. Him just move on. I just it in him DNA. He might come from the lineage of people who see you and go so. And when you pass and they look at them, they smile. You know so? That's how he might come from. Him can't change that. You see? So you just run with him because you're bored. Talk the truth, man, and shame the devil. You know Andrew Holness not thief $31,000 for buy bonds. You know this, brethren. You can't be so fool. If you think you're the most powerful man in the country, second to Vibes Cartel. See? You can't believe you're the most powerful man in the country. The second most powerful man in the country. Yeah? Second, you can't believe, say, the man will run second to Vibes Cartel. The king of Jamaica. You can't believe some thief 31,000 in you don't believe that. You don't believe. You don't believe that. And here we go on now. You see, even if the thing say, I know that make you upset. I know that make you upset. No found way upset on a son a gunman. There are people that bring money come go before they go to church Sunday morning. No found way I go like say we no care. We no pit them a gunman. Hallelujah. I want to block your road when police kill one of them. Talk it truth and shame the devil, man. You don't believe, or you're not really troubled by the way Andrew Holness getting money. The least you know, say I don't fear money in thief, your quote unquote taxpayers' money. And no pound live a foreign and a bad bomb Andrew Holness thief on the taxpayers' dollar. When last you come Jamaica? If someone come here right now, no last. Because the road, them everything change up. We have some pretty highways now where I drive on. If someone come to Jamaica right now, we do no last. Because we're not going to know, so we have to drive around the highway. And we want to go there, so we have to turn off one of the junction them. And we're not going to last. So we're not paying the taxes down here. Go ahead. stop up my internet cup. Can no pound me say a foreign uno live. Say una vlogger. Uno live a foreign Ratigan. Uno not pay no taxes down here. Uno not even have a piece of land down here. Some uno. To pay a little land tax. Oh, Prime Minister rob with tax dollars. So, based on the report, him not rob no tax dollars. Them say him did to pay income tax. Pan, the money when company make. You see? So, the quote-unquote accountant will represent the integrity report. Send it to, so the accountants them know say a foolishness that. So, that is the only thing we say we could make it nice for, you know. But we don't care if we don't have evidence and thief for tax money. A different thing that. Because we can't defend that, you know, people. If they catch Andrew and it's a thief for taxpayers' money, you know, because you pay your taxes, we can't defend Andrew. But it is so trivial. When the Integrity Commission, chaps, it is so trivial. When the Integrity Commission must send information to the TAJ after they complete investigation, they fool like a duck. After you complete the investigation and lose your power, you got to table the document. You got to table the report, you know. Lose your power. Then you are sent to TAJ, but you want to find out things. Why you never sent to TAJ before you table the report? You think TAJ could have taken 2 weeks to answer you? Them not answer you because they realize, Kevin Stevenson, they realize you're an idiot. They realize you're one of the biggest idiots they ever put in charge of such a qualified, a place where somebody will well qualified to go. You do not know the intricacies of accounting. Why TAJ have a rush to answer you now when you lose the privilege where you have? Me a play a game. Me have a lifesaver. Me make the game over. Boom. Then me a try use the lifesaver. Me make the game run out. Me have the lifesaver, you know. Oh, me a save it. Me a save it, you know. It's a countdown for the game done. 10, 9, 8, lifesaver. Me soon use up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, still a play. 1, burp. Yo! My youth! Come in. You know, say game rob me. You may never use a life see. As soon make PMP take on the idiot, you know. You know why PMP exploit on ignorance? Because of so them divide and rule all these years. And then do things and make people when have no sense run with them and spread the same propaganda. Them are do it for years, you know. Me used to cuss Edward Siaga. Say he mash up Jamaica. You see? Me no 100% panic because I was not around during that time cognitively. But me do back some research, you know. And me realize that Michael Manley overzealous. Was so overzealous. And so wanted to be like Fidel Castro, it kind of impact where we so see? So after a long time, never do it to we, you know. A long time, you know, say a long time, never do that something to we, you know. You know, say my goal really take with idiot. You know, say integrity commissioners them really take with idiot people. After them I get over $1 billion to run them company. You know, so them take with idiot. Then take with idiot, you know. You know, so that $1 billion they could have share up and fix up some nice community centers in the ghetto them for people get jobs. And the school them when I do well at Jamaica like Lightburn, where have 0% of children who pass with 5 subjects, including maths and English. 0%. Last time, me check the report. Then could have turned it in our school to teach trade, you know. And make some of them learn for sew, you know. And some of them learn for do carpentry, and some of them learn for do plumbing. Because yesterday, you know, some have a pipe in our fix. So one thing you know, say, you have to use pipe in the house, you know, plumbers now go out of job, you know. Electrician, yesterday me fix one sitting out there, so for 5 grand, you know. One little socket, you know. A 5 grand me pay, you know. To fix one socket, you know. A long time the PMP I take with it dunce and idiot, you know, people. And it hurt me so much when I see people who call themselves educated, quote unquote say them educated, and run around with the same propaganda, you know. And some of them being used to put this man in a power without no plans to move the country forward, you know. Who knows the integrity commission as them take with idiot? You know, see how long them a beat Andrew Holness. And Mr. Panther never yet put out a statement and say, yo, you are not allowed to speak on the investigation, Mark Golden. You are not allowed to speak on the investigation, Dayton Campbell. But as soon as the observer put forward some information, say PMP under illicit enrichment probe. Right, here comes the integrity commissioner. Now we might come tell you about say they are not going to be you know, silenced. Now them want to talk. Now you want to come tell we say the TAJ no respond to you yet. So you violate your own gag order. And we are the idiot for trust your body. We are the dons. We believe that this investigation was not witch hunt. Because the white man tell you say it is not. Oh, you see color. You can't see color. You're a cow. You see? But Portland got a rainbow. I bet you see that color there. No, you're not going to see it neither. You don't see color. Lovely, lovely rainbow right across Portland now. God is in control, people. You don't see color. That's why God sent you a rainbow. You see? So all in all, people, all good things must come to an end. We can go on and on, people. We can go on night, people. But if them not get this, them not go get nothing else. I just see people when we have sense and ambition. When you have sense, ambition, future plans, you emulate people that are doing well. Who are doing well. You don't sit down and watch every dollar where them spend, every dollar where them have, how them get them money. No, you find out, how can I be like that person? And it starts with what? Go educate your damn self. And if you're too old, if you educate yourself, make sure so your grandchildren or your children are get an education. You see? And that's with the people. Stop thinking, say, handout, I go fix your economy. Stop thinking, say, handout, I go last forever. You go back to ball again. Baby Sham has a song where say, tell PJ if you give you this to run for an hour. Why Baby Sham have a song where say, tell PJ if you give you this to run for an hour? Because things did bad in a PJ time when you come and go like so and celebrate PJ parties now. When I go come back on ball, same way about Mark Golden. So there is nothing that you see now that can motivate you. There's nothing you see now that can make your son get a trade. stop give him dinner if a badness him want do. If a gun him want, make the Dan take him over. As a matter of fact, me can't wait for Dodos come to be MP. For don't them side. Yeah. Dodos for MP. Don't West Kingston. Yeah. I mean, he was no sin cast the first stone. Who popular like Dodos? Hurry up and come up, my general. I mean, Jamaican is a forgiving society. I mean, was no sin cast the first stone. I am empty Andrew Wellness. Dodos with you know. How are the Andrew? Anything for the win. How are you? I mean, the matter of fact, even Zeke's right now more your pardon. I mean, he was no sin cast the first one. No, that's too tight. No, but that's real. And the people that we go for the win. I mean, I go for the win. No, that's not no conviction in the Jamaica people. You forgot? I'm foreign that people. So that's when you come to Jamaica, it's going to be a free man. And one thing we know for sure, when Dodos there, me can go downtown go party. When Dodos there, me go down a passa, me left there in a daylight. Nobody can trouble me chain, nobody can trouble me nothing when me a wear. Nobody can beg me nothing. Dodos for MP. One thing me know, and Zeke's for MP too. Yeah. Let out Zeke's freedom, hashtag free Zeke's. No want nobody come tell me no story where them hear about the Dan neither. The matter of fact, yeah. Mean. Zebra too. Ninja man, free Ninja man. Mean, who was no sin cast the first one. Ninja been rehabilitated people. Ninja man been rehabilitated people. Ninja man write a letter, clot pretty Dan. And the wickedest letter man ever write. Him been rehabilitated, free Ninja man. Straight, MP. We don't have sentence. Cause the JLP woman down there get the money for spend and fix up a place and spend the money fix it up. Marsha Smith, they say. Marsha Smith, the constituency development funds, I not spend it. She says, then says she and Lisa Anna not spend the money for the people them. Where you save the money for Marsha? Send me down there, Mr. Holden, when you win. Yeah man, me cross over. Just give me the money and send me down there, Mr. Holden, when they don't vote for you. Let me show them how money spent. Yeah man. No matter about Mr. Holden. In the forward, just pardon all Zeke's them. You mean? Rehabilitation, the thing the people. No man is supposed to be a prison for them a long time there. Pardon. No man is supposed to. Them man they been rehabilitated. You mean? When the system I tell with lie, say them not rehabilitated. Free them right now. As a matter of fact, I be a Dan we want to be MP. Because they done them know how to bring down the violence. And them know how to turn up the violence. Yeah, he was not sin cast the first one. Yeah. Man rehabilitated. We now will no moral compass over nobody head. Right now, what Dan we want to run. The ghetto them. Dan for MP. Every Dan right now we do have a, even if you have a criminal record. Sorry, you can't expunge it again in the Mark Gold and change it, the policy, the law. Lord Cleat. Jaja God. You know, say Mark Gold in cloth, you know? Lord Cleat. Jaja God. You know, say Mark Gold in cloth, you know? Them let most can find another way, man. Yeah, the dance them have. Yeah, because they say the dance them give the people them things too. The dance them eat them food. The dance them do what them have to do. The dance them know say, yo, any man come with no war thing, them just done with them. The dance them forget allowed to just have the arms them where them want have. like the Dan down at Haiti. Yeah. Give the Dan them immunity and turn them in an MP and Jamaica fix. That's the answer, people. We find it. Mark Golden, run it up land there. Must win. Must win me general. So Andrew, I go use Dodos and we no treat Zeke's bad because we no left Zeke's a prisoner and come out of power. See? We no could have pardon Zeke's. So now we want pardon for Zeke's. Yeah, I hope Andrew Wellness give him a MP position. See? Yeah, because the man they know the ins and the outs they get to them. Maybe people, maybe at that Mark Golden, run with it. Run with it, my general. Yeah, man. Even your constituency too. Just find the man where a war. I say, yo, I want to stop the war. Now go turn on an MP. The man where a war in your constituency, where you can't control, based on and reports. Because you out here watch Andrew Wellness money. Just go tell the man them say, done the war, you go turn them in an MP, they put on jacket and tie. Them can't lose. I hope, yo, JLP, me no want to go and roll no moral compass boy upon nobody, you know. He was no saint cast the first stone. Zin? You don't know. Me no want to go on like someone no want Buchanan and win down at Portland. And Marie Vaz, you do too much good for the people, them. That I problem with you, no, Miss Vaz. You're too kind. You're too friendly. You're coming like a me. With DMX, cause me say, yo, you're too loose, brethren. Yo, you need to come off of the internet. You're coming like a me. You make people take step with you, or you're a big artist. And I say, Chano, Megs, you know, say I like me like them. Chano. Miss Vaz, you do too much good. Somebody say, what me a show at the conference? No, yeah, we're going, you know. Me see PMP them and say me a try to get them to call me for the conference and me them send for counter Vibes Cartel. You know, so no delusional. No delusional, you know. I like them, you know, do a live, you know, people. But you know, say PMP delusional. You know, real, you know, so not like me. And me, you know, really want to counter Vibes. Me, to counter Vibes Cartel. Listen to me, people. You know, never ever put me on a pedestal there. We don't never ever do that. Because here we go on now. We don't never rate me like that. Never. We don't never ever rate me like that. So, the fact that we even say it make me feel more important than me. So, it make me feel more pompous than me feel. Like when I really accept me, I the one that them I bring for counter Vibes Cartel. You're an idiot. Vibes Cartel are the younger man who me see. Company internet, you know. With all matter na him here, you know. And just come out of jail and it no matter how he look, it no matter if him, you know, and you see people are pray and people are say, yo, him good looking he. And people say, yeah man, him soon get, yeah man, if me ever company, right now me have them line here, and me see people, what do you me a text on her? And the people say, you see your neck full of hole, you see you look like you're dead. I say, yeah, me see also, this me never see this yet in my life, you know, people. So when me, if we compete, nah idiot man, me see Cartel come and turn vlogger, and the people say, oh you mean, Cause are the #1 vlogging channel right now. I mean, big up vlogger. Big up the man that set trend. The man that make people buy out to all like kerchief in downtown. Kerchief price increased by 1000%. The only thing I have to offer to you is a few words of encouragement. give a little advice, and tell us that Mark Golding is a liar. And the fact say, Mark Golding is a lawyer, will love Sue, and me can tell you say, him is a liar, without feeling like me I jeopardize my children them future, by means of him filing a lawsuit. Because me, people, who don't think so me a dunce? Why would I call a man a liar? And the man never tell a lie yet. What me can prove? That alone for me can even look into what me I say and say, Jano. Is it? So, don't put that down to mind, people. Say me I try to counter Vybz Kartel. As a matter of fact, another reason why I rate the Jamaica Labour Party, them have a lot of bright people. Nigel Clark is a scholar. Andrew Holness is an idiot. Very educated. Mrs. Holness sharp like a razor. My virgin Nesta. It's like, if you're really, really ambitious and you crave knowledge and you like people intelligent, you're going to like the people from the Jamaica Labour Party. You see? You're going to like what they have to offer. What, you understand me I say? So, the Jamaica Labour Party, I am quite sure, don't need a Vybz Kartel counter. I don't think they need a Vybz Kartel counter to put forward them plans. Me not think they need a Curry counter to put forward them plans. Me not think they need a L.A. Lewis counter to put forward them plans. Me honestly don't think so. And if you believe that, me can't stop you from believe what you want to believe. Me think say, like how Mark Golding did go in a parliament, go tell the bag of lie them, and when he was showing with the taxes, the income tax over the years, yeah, I think it was income tax, he purposely left out 4 or 3 major years. He just leave it blank. And the PNP them never, nobody from the PNP pointed it out to him and say, yo, somebody I go catch you, you know. Nigel Clark, the scholar, came, show it to him, peekaboo. Mark Golding sat there like this. And I look down at my glasses. Him never even have little shame. The man not even have little shame to say, let me apologize to the people them and explain why he left out 3 major years. The COVID year. I must say the year after and the year before COVID. You see? Not decency. You don't have a problem with a man who lied to you. Just like that. Lied to you. So we need Corey. And the Rainbow Gang. Me think say, the Jamaica Labour Party, them have better message. It's not even better because there is no message from the PNP. Me think them have better plans. It's not even better. Me can't say better. What am I going to use? Them have plans. Them have the intellect to put forward the plans. And honestly, when I go on a PNP platform, Rattigan, Herb Nelson them, Me go call Dean Jackson Miller platform a PMP platform. Yeah, that's my opinion. Oral Tracy. The vloggers them on TikTok. Because I love to learn. Me's a student. See? When I go on all these PMP platforms, I learn nothing new. When we go up on Chops platform, when we go up on the sister name Goody platform, when we go up on Munchie, she named the one Andrew Stevens must say sue. The sister where Andrew Stevens are sue. Andrew Stevens we tell lie for everybody sue people now. When I go on their platform, I learn something. As the Lord liveth people. When I listen to Mark Golden, me not learn anything. The only thing I hear, Andrew Wallace, you know who, tell the truth, you know who. People, this economy is not growing. Oh, you got to say the economy not grow. When the net reserve have more money than when Porsche left here. More money than when they no kick out Porsche. I come to a parade and I celebrate Porsche Simpson. Like when I remember when I turn on the back panel. Me have a video of different Porsche, you know. Where PMP, you know. I said the woman done, you know. How am I going to forget? Eh? Come on, B. Me not learn nothing from Mark Golden. Them not have nobody over there. Well, me used to learn from Damien, but then shelf him. You see? Then shelf him. Them sabotage him. So in the person when we could have learned like something from, me see all conference keep, them make him speak at the one the other day. Me see conference keep and them not him talk. You see? So tell me one PMP representative where you learn something from. One. Maybe I could have said Lisa Hanna, you know. Because sometimes she put up some things, but she's not even there. You have to go find her platform and dig up some, because she's not there. It's not like Lisa Hanna put on a live where we can go sit in and say, I could listen to what Lisa Hanna say. Me listen to this lawyer when named Dean Jackson Miller. She read through the whole integrity report. Which is a good thing. Because some people can't read. But if you can't read, you're not going to understand the report. In truth. It's very, very complex. And repetitive. But me see a person like Dean Jackson Miller who is a lawyer. You'd expect that she got through the whole report. She would have did at least at the end of each part where she do it different parts. So I think the basic thing to do when you finish read through a section, you analyze it. Me no learn nothing because I read the report too. And as a matter of fact, me no feel comfortable listening to you because at twice now, me see you as a lawyer had to apologize for spreading misinformation. Twice. You did it with the Constitution report and you did it now with the Integrity report. So me not even comfortable, even if you were doing some form of analysis and with your bias, the way you speak, you're very biased in my opinion. Me not gonna learn because me gonna think say you're gonna lead me astray. The good thing about it, still, you apologize when you err. Well, me appreciate that. You see? But they are oral Tracy. Yo, bro, God, let me tell you the truth, man. Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you, bro, God, let me tell you the truth, man. Let me tell you the truth, man. The people have just want to know how you get rich so quick. No wonder the gleaner, the Adria gleaner, I lose so much money. The educated people them now spend no money, you don't know. Bro, God, me nobody knows it. Me nobody knows it. On a KD night, and the people that upon the Integrity Commission. Me never know say them astute. Scholars that upon the Integrity Commission. Me nobody knows say them money and jewelries. I say, I'm corrupt. Me nobody knows say them money and jewelries. Like. like what the. There are some things that people that like we could have learned something oral. Stick to sports. Because at least we learn something from you in sports. So bro God, I take the Integrity Commission to court. No plans. A bunch of idiots. We get them talking points, them cue, running around the internet, trying to fool you. No, yeah, beg your pardon. The PNP has a plan, you know, to solve crime. You know who are the minister? Peter Bunting. I'm going to be the minister, you know. Listen me good. Peter Bunting will be the minister of security. You see? Remember so one time Peter Bunting say, yo, you hear me, God? That me can't manage our work, you know. So, here what you going to do for me, God? 1 second. I need water. Jaja. Yeah. Peter Bunting, you know. At one point, you know, Peter Bunting said, God, I have to go take over that thing, you know, because I can't manage it, you know. Peter Bunting ball live in the water, you know. Live in the water, run out of the man, yeah, you know, the man said, God, I can't manage, you know. Here, man, Jamaica, we need to turn to divine. We need to get divine intervention. We can't manage. And God, the man turn over the thing to, you know. When the man minister, you know. And me and the man in a plan, you know. You know what the man say? The man say, yeah, me hear the wrap up. The man say, may I leave you with this, because I get my wrap up signal. The man say, stop the inflow of contrabands and illegal activities, guns and them thing there. To pay informants, pay informers to inform to the government. Excuse me, true word. The man say, pay informers the money where the government are used by Coast Guard vessels. Use that money, pay informer. And that is Peter Bunting's plan to protect our borders. Pay informers. So when you hear, when you put them in power, I want to hear say, Miss Markie and her children them were roasted in a house fire. One of us knows say somebody find out who are the informer here. One of us knows say one corrupted police tell back the man them will lose them things on the beach. A who in farm. I remember say when Miss Markie and the little 3-month-old baby and the one where are 7 and the one where are 13 and the grandma and the grandfather will get roasted in the house. Just know say a smaddy tell the people will lose them guns or them contrabands. A who in farm. You think me a lie? It's on the internet. As a matter of fact, it's on my Twitter. But me have a rest device now. See? Cause me no want to damage it. But me have to come talk to you. That are the plan. That are one plan of me here. One plan. Me no know if you hear no other plans. But that are one plan where me can't tell you no say yeah. The PMP plan. Let's struck down Damian Crawford 1%. Increase by taxes. Them dash with that. Nobody no object or reject Peter Bunting plan of paying informers to protect our coastal line. Yeah? So even if them win, and them no bother pay the informer, them, say a man go question when them things get busted and things say the government a pay informer. I know when people get paranoid, them just feel like say, are you where did I look when the boat a go out? Are you where did look when the boat come in? So go and go vote for PMP. You will live on the coastal line or hustle on the coastal line. Go put Peter Bunting in the seat. Go on. And peep out when you see one boat come in. Yeah? Go on.